Notion iMarketing Workspace app. The pros, the cons. If your marketing team wants to streamline workflows and generate content quickly, Notion iMarketing Workspace might seem like the ultimate solution. But is it really that simple? Let's break it down. On the positive side, Notion I helps teams organize campaigns, generate content ideas, and automate repetitive tasks. Its standout feature is AI-assisted content creation within project boards, which can save hours in brainstorming and drafting social posts, blog outline, and emails. Many teams report improved collaboration, clearer project tracking, and faster content cycles. Another advantage is Notion's flexibility. You can customize workspaces to match team needs, from content calendars to project management dashboards. However, there are drawbacks. Some users find that AI-generated content need editing to match brand voice or accuracy, and pricing can rise for larger teams. Another limitation is that Notion AI is best used as an assistant. It doesn't replace strategy, planning, or creative thinking. Most people get this wrong. They think AI alone can manage campaigns. The surprising truth is that AI works best when paired with human strategy and oversight. In conclusion, Notion iMarketing Workspace app is a strong tool for marketing teams seeking organized workflows, faster content creation, and collaborative efficiency. It saves time, enhances productivity, and supports creative processes. But to get the most out of it, teams need strategy, editing, and clear guidance. For marketers ready to blend AI with human insight, Notion AI can be highly effective.